What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys, I want to show you how to download MSI Afterburner on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. All you need to do guys, just open your browser and type like me MSI Afterburner and open this first site and you will see here final and beta. Just download here final, click on it. And you will see downloading on WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, just download in another tab, download WinRAR. And also download WinRAR for your PC, install it, and you will get this folder like me for MSI. Open it, and you will see here installation, just open it, and install on your PC. After installation MSI like me, you will get this little icon in right corner, open it, you have MSI on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download MSI Afterburner on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.